Hello and welcome to Beauty with Myra. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And let's get started. I'm going to be teaching you how to do this hair mask, which is very good to restore brittle and damaged hair. First of all, you're going to be needing 1 egg, plain yogurt, either extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, whichever you want to have available. Either one works. A measuring cup, you need half a cup, and also a spoon to mix. And you also need a big large bowl to mix all of your ingredients in. First of all, we're going to be cracking our egg, and we're only going to be using our egg white. We're not going to be using the yolk, so we're going to have to separate those two. We're going to need half a cup of plain yogurt. It cannot be a flavored yogurt, it has to be plain yogurt. Whether it be Greek or just regular yogurt, whichever one is fine. It just has to have no flavor. And we're also going to be needing 1/4 of a cup of oil. Whether it be extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, whichever one you have, either of them work. Olive oil is a little bit easier to mix than coconut oil, but it is just for your preference or whatever you have available closer to you. With the coconut oil, you would have to melt it a little bit before mixing it, so that way it's a little bit easier to distribute and to mix with the other ingredients. Now we're going to be mixing those 3 ingredients together. Okay, once it's all said and done, we are going to be applying it to our hair. I was doing a sheet mask meanwhile, but I'm going to be removing my braids and I'm going to be detangling my hair, and then we're going to be applying this mask to our hair. Egg whites are very good for people who have oily hair, while egg yolks are very good for people who have dry hair. But egg whites are good for people who have oily hair and also dry hair, since it helps nourish and enrich your hair with a protein source that the egg whites have. You can mix the egg white and the yolk together, but I prefer just to do the egg whites for this kind of mask. We're going to be sectioning off our hair, and we're just going to be applying it section at a section at a time, just so that way it's more evenly distributed onto our hair. We don't want to have any of our hair missing any of this mask on it. Olive oil is very good for your hair, which it hydrates, it shuts your cuticle. It also adds shine to your hair, and it fortifies with protein to help your hair to not break. I make sure that this mask is very well saturated on all of my hair, especially the ends. You also want to make sure you saturate your scalp and really massage it in to your scalp so that way it is absorbed. Yogurt is rich in protein and it helps strengthen the hair shaft, and it also prevents split ends and damage. The lactic acid in yogurt hydrates the hair, and when rinsed, it helps clear away all the dead skin as dandruff on our scalp. It is medically proven and cosmetically effective on our hair follicle, our scalp, and our roots for our hair, which in its sense helps promote stronger and shinier and healthier hair, and it also helps accelerate the growth of hair. It also makes it stronger because it prevents any breakage on your ends. meaning that it will grow thicker and faster and so much stronger. The solution is of a consistency of a very thick paste, and once you start applying it, your hair just completely absorbs it. Make sure your scalp and your ends are completely saturated, and then we're going to be applying it on a clip, and we're going to be letting it set for a couple of minutes. Once I know that my hair is completely saturated, I'm going to be pinning it up with a plastic rubber band, just so that way it gives it a little bit more breathing room, not completely so tight where you can't even allow any air into it. And then we're going to be letting that on our hair for about 30 minutes and let it work its magic. After 30 minutes, I went and I took a shower and I rinsed my hair with regular shampoo and conditioner. Usually after a treatment, I don't like to add any more heat. I like to let it air dry just so that way the treatment really settles in and works its magic inside of our hair shaft. I just like to detangle it and let it air dry and comb my hair to the following day. But as you can see, my curls are already trying to start to form, which that means it's a very good sign. I hope you liked this mask, and if you give it a try, let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. I will talk to you later and see you in the next video. Goodbye.